Megan and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I'd come back with a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a flawless bronzy foundation. I kind of sound hoarse right now and I don't know why. It's probably just because I've been doing nothing all day. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So I already have moisturizer on my skin. I've had it on for about an hour and a half now. So I'm going to be mixing two different primers. This is actually a moisturizing primer and it's a mega illuminating moisturizer. This stuff is amazing. I can already tell you, like, it is my life and I usually put on way too much. Like that's way too much, but we're gonna work with it. This stuff smells amazing. I got it from Sephora, so if you want it. It's the birthday gift though. I think you can get it in a pack. For my actual primer, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer because this is just a constant. I don't ever stop using this. Primer is one of those things where I really just like work it into my skin. I know that that's like weird, but like I really want to push this into my pores. The next thing I did is I just took my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. And I'm just gonna go and seize around my inner corners. This is really just to like help with coverage and brighten up that area. And I'm also gonna be placing it on any trouble spots I'm having or like any extra redness on my forehead. This is basically just a spot conceal underneath. I'm putting it around my nose crease because for some reason I always forget to put makeup there. I'm just pressing it into my skin, keeping it localized. I'm not going to be moving it around too much because I want that coverage to stay. And by letting it sit for a second while I dampen my beauty blender, that actually does help with coverage because it actually starts to set on the skin. So as you can see, like literally that already brightened up my face. Like most of the time I'll just stop there, but I'm going to continue because this is an over-the-top extra channel. So the next thing I did is I went in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. What is this shade? In the shade Porcelain because I'm already sick. I'm just going to be taking a little bit and putting it in like places where I'm more red. Even with that, like I could leave it, but I still have some redness that I want to cover. So I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and doing like half a pump. Basically what you want to do is you want to put on as much as possible without it becoming a cake face. That's like my goal every single day. So I'm just going to be taking my Airspun loose powder. I'm just going to be taking a powder brush and pressing it into my skin. I'm not huge on baking anymore. Of course, that's again with the cake face kind of thing. I felt like it's just too much. If I can set it and it won't move for the rest of the day, that's good for me. I'm going to bronze and contour my face next, and I'm just using my very, very worn down Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is what I always use, and I'm using the ash toned one right here. Every time I contour, I use this color, and I swear I haven't hit pan yet. You guys see I hit pan on that a long while ago. I'm going to be taking this large angled contour brush, the 30F from Farah, F-A-R-A-H, and it says, "Be beautiful, be you." Love inspirational quotes on my makeup brushes. I'm going to be taking that color and starting in the hairline. I'm kind of bringing it up because I want my cheekbone to look kind of lifted, even though I already have pretty lifted cheekbones. Just gonna be blending this upwards, kind of where like a blush would be. And this is also by blending it out instead of keeping it very. I'm starting at my hairline and I'm bringing it down. Like my hairline's right here, bringing it down. I have a very large forehead, you can say safely. For blush, I'm going to be using the Likey and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush from Sarahah Botanicals. I have no idea what I just read. I'm going a little bit heavier with the blush just because it's more of a bronze natural look. I mean, natural naturally we have right in our faces. Okay, so next I'm going to contour my nose. I'm using this Dome eyeshadow brush I got from Dollar General. Blend this in. So to highlight, guys, this highlighter, it is called Do Me Afterglow Baked Highlight Powder. And it says Estate on the front of it. I don't know if that's the brand or what, but it is a purple tinted highlighter. And let me tell you, this highlighter will make you glow. So me being the extra AF person that I am, I'm going to be using 3 different brushes to apply this in 3 different places. And applying this on my cheekbones, bringing it down to the apple of my cheek. Make sure to blend it out. You don't want that harsh line. Oh gosh. Bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow. And chin. And I'm glowing. Doing one little tip. My inner corners. So from there, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. You guys really don't have to see this part. For eyeshadow, I'm doing something very simple. I'm taking my Halo bronzer and a blending brush and putting it in my crease. Starting on the outside, and I'm going in circular motions and then moving inward. So this next part is optional, but you can take a darker brown color and mix it with a grayish color. This is the Tarte Lip palette, by the way. I'm blending those 2 colors together and putting it on the outer lash line on top. I'm just taking this flat brush right here and just bringing it towards the inner part. So that's it for the eyes. I'm just gonna apply my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for the lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Girlfriend. How can I forget to highlight my ears, guys? How can I forget? I'm going to be taking my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I'm probably going to have to go back and get more soon. It's funny, I started recording this video with the sun out and now it's down. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. All of my social media will be linked down below. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!